Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through St Andrew and this is part 2 of our Jacks Hill tour. Now in part 1 we did a tour of the houses on the right of Jacks Hill Road, and now we're going to do a tour of the houses on the left. Now the major difference between the two areas is that on the right you're not allowed to build townhouses or apartments, but on the left you can. So we're going to take a different road. So we're on Jacks Hill Road and this is the Jacks Hill neighborhood. And what makes Jacks Hill so special is it's one of the top neighborhoods in Jamaica, and I think it's the number 2 neighborhood in the Kingston and St Andrew area. Only Cherry Garden, is number 1. Or only Cherry Gardens is ahead of it. Okay, you can see on the right now you have the townhouses. This section of Jacks Hill you are allowed to build townhouses or apartments. And the lots on this side are also very big. At the end of this road they have a massive townhouse complex called River Ridge. Now straight ahead you see that big crane. That's a construction project, but that where the crane is actually Millsboro. Okay, straight ahead where you see that security barricade, that's River Ridge. Actually, the gate is open, so we'll just drive in and take a quick tour. Usually it's closed. So this is River Ridge. Hundreds of homes in here. It's a very large complex. To give you an idea of what the area looks like. Now, I'm not sure what these houses sell for, but in terms, if you were to rent one, you're looking at about 2,000 US a month, 2,500. This complex was built a few years ago. It's not one of the newer ones. It's still very nice. The roads need fixing, but so like this complex now, I don't think the government is responsible for the roads because it's a gated community. So I think it's the community, the association, that would have to fix these roads. I'm not 100% sure, but I know in most gated communities that is how it works. So if anybody knows, you can leave a comment in the section below. Alright, so that's the tour of River Ridge. We're going to drive back out now. On the left I have like a pool, tennis courts, a small park. There's actually a security guard in the house. I'm not sure why he left the gate open. Alright guys, thanks. I hope you enjoyed the tour of River Ridge. Thanks for watching the video. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.